Mosaic early bird break 29-37. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 10 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Texans up top, Panthers at the bottom. Ten times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Tom Hall up top. Craig Nixon at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Texans didn't sort, everybody else did. Good luck, boys. Here we go. Mosaic early bird, let's go. Brian says he got his PC. Good luck, Brian. Here we go. Rashad White on the rook. Desmond Ritter, rookie. Kyler Gordon. Aiden Hutchinson on the silver. Tom Brady, straight fire for the Buccaneers. Silver Aiden for the Lions. Kyler Gordon on the mosaic. Desmond Ritter on the base. Got first auto, K-Dot and Sky Moore. Derek Young to 99 on the blue auto for the Seahawks. Going to Brett Carmen. Here we go. Brett Derek to 99. Javante Mosaic, Callaway Red, Randy Moss, JJF. Desmond Ritter debut. Calvin Austin, Cade York, Joey Bosa, silver, Zeke, Traylon on the blue chips, Eli Manning in it to win it. We got a honeycomb, good luck. K9 debut. Samari Torre, Traylon Burks, Joel Batonio. Hines Ward off the back. T-Law on the silver. Tom Brady. DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals on the honeycomb. Cardinals going to Brian Ulrich. D-Hop on the honeycomb. Nice hit going to Brian. T-Law on the silver montage. Traylon on the rookie. Nice hit there again, Brian. Got our other auto. Quayle Walker. Alec Pierce, who do we got? Damian Pierce for the Texans. Nice auto there for Houston. Going to Tom Hall. Here you go, Tom. Damian Pierce on the ink. Josh Jacobs, Lamar, and Mac Jones. We got a purple coming up. Andrew Booth Jr. Thibodeau for the Giants. Jeremy Ruckert on the rookie. Evan Neal for the Giants on the purple to 49. Giants to Ryan Klaus. Trayvon Walker and Kurt Warner, center stage. Malik Willis on the rookie for Tennessee. Jeremy Ruckert. Rondale Silver, Herbie. Taylor and Matt Stafford for the Rams. Little Silver Herbie, National Pride for the Chargers. Malik for the Titans on the base rook. Kyler Gordon, Romeo Dobbs, Kadarius Toney, red rookie, Tyler Batty for the Ravens. Kenny Pickett and a swagger of Debo. Two packs left. Cam Thomas, Tristan Ebner. Mosaic, Jahan Dotson for Washington, Daniel Bellinger. Blue chips, Kenny Pickett on the silver for the Steelers. Bellinger on the silver rook. Dotson on the Mosaic for Washington. Last pack, good luck. Jahan Dotson for Washington, Trey McDuffie, Malik on the Mosaic, Burrow on the red, Mahomes and Patty Mahomes to finish it off. Nice red Burrow for the Bengals. Going to Steven. Malik on the Mosaic rookie for the Titans. And Jahan Dotson on the base rook. Recap it. We got Malik, Burrow, Dotson, Pickett, Batty, Debo, Herbie, Evan Neal to 49, Damian Pierce, D-Hop on the honeycomb, Tariq Young to 99, Aiden, and Tom Brady straight fire. That's the break. Thanks for the film.